Hi everyone, this is Dr. Swati from Neuroads, Bangalore. So, are you someone who is considering to get a hair transplant surgery done? If you are, then understanding and knowing the recovery post surgery is very crucial. And here I am, I will be explaining you about the milestone one should be expecting post surgery. Immediately post hair transplant surgery, that is in the first week after the hair transplant surgery is done, a patient can expect a little bit of erythema and swelling and itching. At this time, one should critically avoid touching the scalp and scratching the scalp, etc. And there is a scab formation around the newly implanted follicles. At the end of this week is when we technically suggest the first hair wash post hair transplant surgery, that is on day 8. Now, coming to the second week, which is your resting phase, the redness that is present eventually tends to fade away and the scabs will eventually fall off and the scalp looks cleaner. And by the end of this week, the follicles will get into a resting phase. This period marks as a transition from the initial healing phase to the resting phase for the hair follicles. Suppose this phase, there is something called a shock loss phase, lasting for about 3 weeks to 6 weeks. This is when the patient observes the shedding of the hair follicles. The transplanted hair will start to shed, but don't be alarmed if there is some sort of shedding during this phase, because eventually the hair is gonna regrow. The next phase is early growth phase, which will last about for 2 to 3 months. And during this phase, you might notice the newer hair growing as a fine, thin strands. And this is when the hair is shifting from the resting phase to an acting growing phase. By the end of 6 months, the patients will tend to notice more visible changes. The hair starts to grow in more density and there is a lot more coverage to be seen. Post 6 months, from 6 months to 9 months, the hair tends to become more mature and it gains more volume and coverage. And this is when you will feel it is more natural and it is easier to style it better and you will feel the confidence. Hair tends to mature in terms of texture and fullness, and this is the phase which will further transit into a full-term results post hair transplant. Patience and proper care is absolutely essential post hair transplant. Keep attending the follow-up to know how your recovery is going to be. And actually, by knowing and understanding the recovery or the journey post hair transplant, it actually sets a realistic expectations from the patient's point of view. And embarking on this kind of journey is actually very, very important. Thank you. Follow us for more.